Okay, we're gonna try that again. Anyways, so welcome to the channel. My name is Josh. This is gonna be Hawk's Garage. Hawk's Garage, I started a long time ago, but I started out working on trolleys and I started out learning from my dad. The whole point of this channel is this truck's been in my life for years. And the whole point is I did a lot of LS builds, turbos, tuning. I got into tuning, I got into all that, and I just want to show everybody my abilities and what I can accomplish with that. I don't know, with y'all's help, because like I said, it's not just this truck. My dad's got a Cutlass that a tree fell on it. We're going to redo that. And then when I go to work for the trolley company, it's going to be a lot of shooting out content of a lot of, excuse the generator, but a lot of content on trolleys. There's not much online of trolleys. There really isn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to get that wideband in and see if that solves my issue, and hopefully it does. All right, guys. So what I did was I went out and I may have discovered the problem. I went out and bought one of these. Not sure if it's going to actually fix the problem. I'm hoping it kind of does. Well, actually, I'm kind of hoping it fixes the problem because we have I don't know, it seems to be kind of broken. So I'm going to cut this one off and then I'm going to try it again, see what happens. I'm running out of time here. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know what the problem is. However, this little piece is most definitely fucking broken. That's what you get for buying cheap. So, we're going to try this shit again. Keys. And nothing. So, I don't know what is going on. I can't quite figure it out. But as you can tell, that one don't work either. So I'm gonna grab my flashlight or find it and see if I can solve this problem. Because I not only had to buy that, but I had to go out and buy a new power probe to try and solve this issue, and I'm not getting anywhere. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna place that there. Hopefully that ain't too bright. We're gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna try and solve this issue. So I will be right back.